Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben from the United States. I am glad you are here. Today I will talk about life outside the city. This is a simple lesson. You will learn words and sentences. You will hear short dialogues. You will practice speaking. This is a calm lesson. The topic is life outside the city. Life outside the city can mean small towns, villages, farms, the countryside, the mountains, or the beach. I will help you speak about this life. I will use simple words and short sentences. First, I will tell you why some people like life outside the city. Then I will teach new words. I will give many example sentences. I will show a model introduction. I will also give a short conversation. You can pause at any time. You can repeat sentences. You can say them out loud. Speaking is the best way to learn. Why do people leave the city and live outside the city? Life outside the city can be quiet. The air can be fresh. The sky can be wide and blue. People can have more space. People can see stars at night. Houses and yards can be larger. Nature can be close. You can walk in fields and woods. You can hear birds. You can grow a garden. You can raise animals like chickens or sheep. You can find calm after busy city life. Some people move to feel safe. Some people move to save money. Some people move for work in farming or in nature. Some people move to rest and to find peace. All of these ideas are simple to talk about in English. Now I will give a list of common words. I will use each word in a sentence. Repeat each sentence after me. Repeat slowly. Say the words out loud. Repeat after me. Country. The country is far from the city. I live in the country now. Village. The village is small and quiet. I walk in the village market. Town. A small town is near a river. I shop in the town once a week. Farm. A farm has fields and animals. I help on the farm on weekends. Garden. I grow vegetables in my garden. The garden has tomatoes and herbs. Field. The field is green in spring. Cows eat grass in the field. Forest. The forest has tall trees. I walk in the forest in the morning. Mountain. The mountain is high and cold. We hike on the mountain in summer. River. The river flows fast in the rain. I fish in the river sometimes. Beach. The beach has sand and waves. I walk on the beach at sunset. Barn. The barn holds hay and tools. The farmer stores grain in the barn. Road. The road to my home is narrow. The road is quiet at night. Neighbors. My neighbors are kind. We meet in the morning. Market. The market sells fresh food. I buy bread at the market. Bus. The bus comes twice a day. I wait at the bus stop. Train. The train goes to the big city. I take the train for work. Phone signal. Phone signal can be weak here. Sometimes there is no signal. Electricity. Electricity comes and goes in storms. We have a lamp and candles. Internet. Internet can be slow. I use internet for work when it is fast. Peace. I like the peace outside the city. The peace helps me rest. Noise. There is less noise here. There is no heavy traffic. Air. The air is clean and fresh. I breathe deep and feel good. Stars. The stars are bright at night. I like to watch the stars. Sunrise. Sunrise is beautiful on the farm. I wake to the sunrise. Sunset. Sunset colors the sky orange. I walk and watch the sunset. Now I will give example sentences for daily life. Repeat after me. Say each sentence. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I drink coffee and eat bread. I go for a walk near the river. The air is cool and fresh. I open the window and feel the wind. I listen to birds in the trees. I water the plants in my garden. I feed the chickens and collect eggs. I check the animals in the barn. I fix a fence or a gate if it is broken. I go to the market to buy milk and bread. I meet my neighbor at the market. We talk about the weather and the crops. I work in the field or I go to town for a job. In the evening, I cook a simple meal. I sit outside and watch the stars. I sleep early and I rest well. Now I will give phrases you can use. Repeat after me. I live in a small town. I live in a village. I live on a farm. I live in the countryside. I moved here last year. I have a small garden. I have a dog and 2 chickens. I walk to the market. I go to the city once a week. The bus is slow but cheap. The road is long and beautiful. I like the quiet life. I do not like heavy traffic. I grow vegetables in my garden. I work with my hands. I repair things myself. I cook with fresh food. I feel happy outside the city. Now I will give a simple grammar tip. We use the present simple to say what we do every day. Example. I live in a small town. I work in a garden. I feed the animals. These are habits and routines. Use the present continuous to say what you are doing now. Example. I am teaching this lesson now. I am walking in the field. Notice that the present continuous uses the verb to be plus a verb with ing. Say this with me. I am walking. I am cooking. I am listening. Now repeat. I am walking. I am cooking. I am listening. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Ben, hello. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I live outside the city. I live in a small town near a mountain. I am a teacher. I like to walk in the fields. I like to grow tomatoes in my garden. I also like to read at night. What is your name? Friend, hello Ben. My name is Anna. I live in a village. I work at a small shop. I like the quiet. I have 1 dog. Ben, nice to meet you, Anna. Do you go to the city often? Friend, not often. I go to the city for work once a week. I go to the market for supplies. I also go to the doctor sometimes. Ben, do you like living in the village? Friend, yes. I like the fresh air. I like the stars at night. I enjoy the long walks in the forest. Ben, that is nice. I also like to invite my friends to my garden. We cook and we talk. We watch the sunset. You can visit me next time. Friend, I would like that. Thank you. Now you try. I will say a short introduction. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is. Pause and say your name. I live in. Pause and say your town or village. I like. Pause and say something you like. I work as. Pause and say your job. I enjoy living outside the city. Repeat each line and change the words for you. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Take your time. Practice makes progress. Say the full introduction 3 times. First slow and then a bit faster. Try it now. We will practice more phrases. Repeat after me. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 3 years. The weather is mild in spring. In winter the nights are cold. We light a fire in the hearth. I knit a warm scarf. I wear boots when it rains. I plant seeds in spring. I harvest in late summer. I sell my vegetables at the market. I have a small shop in the town. My children go to a school in the village. They play in the fields after school. We cook with a wood stove sometimes. We enjoy quiet dinners. The moon is bright on clear nights. The sound of crickets is nice to hear. Now some common questions you can ask. Repeat after me. Where do you live? How long have you lived here? Do you go to the city often? What do you like about living here? Do you grow food? Do you have animals? Do you have neighbors near you? How do you go to work? Is the internet fast? Is the phone signal good? Practice a short dialogue. Repeat after me. You can pause and say the lines with me. Ben, hello. Where do you live? Friend, I live in a small town near the river. Ben, how long have you lived there? Friend, I have lived there for 5 years. Ben, do you like your town? Friend, yes. I like the quiet and the green fields. Ben, do you go to the city? Friend, I go to the city once a week. Ben, how do you go? Friend, I take the bus or I drive if the weather is good. Now a short listening practice. I will speak and you will repeat. Say the sentence one time after me. The river is calm in the early morning. The birds sing near the trees. The bakery in town sells fresh bread. The farmer brings milk to the market. The road to the city is long but pretty. At night the sky is full of stars. The children play in the field until sunset. The smell of grass is fresh and sweet. We dry the clothes outside on a sunny day. Now I will give some tips to improve your English outside the city. Tip 1. Speak a little every day. Speak with neighbors. Say simple sentences. Tip 2. Read simple books or news online. Tip 3. Listen to English podcasts or songs. Tip 4. Use new words in a sentence the same day. Tip 5. Keep a small notebook. Write 5 new words every day. Tip 6. Take photos and describe them in English. Tip 7. Record your voice and listen to it. You can hear your progress. Now a small role play for practice of daily life. Repeat after me. Ben, good morning. Did you sleep well? Friend, yes. I slept well. I woke early and I walked to the river. Ben, did you water the garden? Friend, yes. I watered the tomatoes and the herbs. Ben, what will you cook for lunch? Friend, I will cook soup with fresh vegetables from the garden. Ben, that sounds good. I will bring bread from the market. Friend, thank you. See you at lunch. Now some vocabulary review. I will say a word and a short sentence. Repeat after me. Quiet. The town is quiet at night. Fresh. The air is fresh in the morning. Simple. We live a simple life. Slow. The life here is slow and calm. Friendly. The neighbors are friendly. Clean. The river water is clean. Wide. The sky is wide and blue. Green. The fields are green in spring. Bright. The stars are bright at night. Safe. I feel safe in my village. Busy. The city is busy and loud. Now some practice with prepositions of place. Repeat after me. I live near the river. I live by the fields. My house is on a small road. The barn is next to the house. The market is in the center of town. The school is across the street. The forest is behind our house. The mountain is above the village. The beach is far from here. Now some sentences for emotional expressions. Repeat after me. I feel calm here. I feel happy with the quiet. I miss the city sometimes. I like the fresh food. I enjoy simple work. I like long walks. I love to grow plants. I am proud of my garden. I am glad to be here. Now a short paragraph to read out loud. Read and repeat after me. Life outside the city is slow and peaceful. In the morning I walk in the fields and I see the sun. I drink tea and I talk with my neighbors. I work in the garden and I plant seeds. I listen to birds and I watch the clouds. In the evening I cook and I rest. I enjoy the calm and the stars. I feel close to nature and I feel free. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Practice reading the paragraph 3 times. Read it loud each time. Try to speak with a calm voice. Try to feel the words. Now some questions for you to answer. Pause the video and say your answers. Take your time. Where do you live now? Do you live in a city or outside the city? What do you like about your place? What do you not like? Do you want to live outside the city in the future? Why or why not? What new words did you learn today? Now a final practice. I will give a longer dialogue. Repeat and act with me. You can be one of the people. Speak both parts if you want. This helps your fluency. Ben, hello. Welcome to our village fair. What brings you here today? Visitor, hello Ben. I came to buy vegetables and cheese. I also wanted to see the crafts. Ben, the farmers bring fresh food. The baker makes bread in the morning. The craft seller has handmade baskets. Visitor, the bread smells great. The basket is beautiful. Ben, would you like to try some cheese? Visitor, yes please. I like cheese with crackers. Ben, here you go. We also have music in the evening. People dance and eat under the lights. Visitor, that sounds nice. I will stay and listen to the music. Ben, have a good time. You are welcome here. Now you try a similar dialogue with a friend. Make small changes and use your own words. Practice new phrases and new words. We have covered many ideas and many words. You have learned how to say where you live. You have practiced daily sentences. You have learned simple grammar points. You have practiced a model introduction and a conversation. You have learned new words about nature and life outside the city. Keep practicing every day. Speak out loud. Read small texts. Write sentences about your life. Use new words in your speech. Share your practice with a friend. Record your voice and listen for improvements. Be patient and enjoy the slow progress. Small steps lead to big results. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.